Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your boy Devi. Would like to welcome you to my channel again. And in today's video I just want to look at my review about TRX Gold. This is day 2. Yesterday I shot a video and I started yesterday, and this is day 2 of me being in TRX Gold. So yesterday I started with 101 TRX Gold. I've paused my video here, as you can see here. This is day 1. I started with 101 TRX Gold, and the contract had 1.8 million Tron invested in it. If we were to look at here now, they reduced because there was a dump yesterday. Some people, they removed their Tron and they took away the profits they made, which is fine, because even if they took away their money, with the members that stayed in the contract and dividends from their sales, so there is nothing as a loss here. So as we can see now, the contract has over 22,000 USD. If you were to look at yesterday, by the time I got in, I shot the yesterday's video, it was at 46,000. So you can see that some big chunk of money went out. And yesterday I made some dividends because I started from 101. What I did, I reinvested some and I reached 135 TRX Gold. So the basic here is to build your TRX Gold tokens, because the more you have, the more dividends you share from the cake that is shared amongst the members. So as you can see, these are the dividends I got from the dump yesterday. People dumped, and from that I got 310 TRX, equivalent to 21 TRX Gold tokens. And these ones, the TRX reduced in value, because yesterday, if I'm to check, if I'm to play this video a bit, I had 1,680. Here you can see they reduced to 1,534, and the amount in US dollars also reduced, but that doesn't have to worry me, because I know that one will come up with price appreciation and also the rise in price of Tron. So you can see it was around 41, but the dividends, the tokens were 101. So today it is 135, and the value in US dollars has reduced. That doesn't have to worry me, and I'm going to buy. And the good thing here, in order to get more dividends, it means you have to have more TRX Gold tokens in the contract. So I'm going to keep stacking my tokens and get more of the gold tokens here. So that's it. And yesterday, by the time I got in, the buying price was at around 19, and it shot up to 24 because I did some reinvestment yesterday. I bought at 24. Now, because people left the contract, which was good for us, the members who stayed in the contract, it reduced the buying price, and also we got dividends from their sales. So it is a win-win situation for both parties. They sold, they got their profits, we remained in the contract, we got the dividends, and also the buying price also reduced for us. So if I'm to look at the Tron scan here, as you can see here, went from 0, it shot up. Amount of Tron, it was, as you can see here, 840,000. Then it reduced. This where people were dumping. And when it was up here, this is when we had the high buy-in price. It reached 24 TRX for each token. When they started selling, it reduced, and now if we are to check now, it is at 13. So the thing here is that when very many people are buying tokens, the buying price has to increase. And when very many people are selling token, the buying price reduces and becomes low. So as you can see here, people have started buying again. Because this contract, the amount here in US dollars, it reached around 60, I last checked when it was 64,000 USD. And it reduced up to 13K. But now it has started going back, meaning that people have started buying in the tokens. So this thing, it has got a Telegram group. You can click here and click on Telegram. You will access the Telegram group. And also the contract, you want to access the contract, you click on contract. Now I opened mine here. It shows you everything. This is the current balance now in USD, as you can see it. And if you are to look at the transactions that are going in at the moment, these are the transactions. As you can see, people are buying in. This one is failed. So another thing also, you can check the contract if it is verified. The contract is verified, guys. Just have to go in. It is here. For those of you who can read the code, this is the code. You can go in and read it. I'm not familiar with these things, these coding things, so you can go in and read it and see. And what else, guys? I think that's all I have for today. That's my day 2, and I'm going to reinvest this. Let me buy more. If you want to withdraw, just click on this. Let me try to withdraw and see. It takes you to your wallet, as you can see here. If you want to withdraw, you just click on accept, and everything will go to, all these dividends will go to your wallet. But I don't want to withdraw, I just want to reinvest. So I click on reinvest. I'm going to buy this, add on 22 dividends, I add them on up here. So you can click on accept. Boom, it has gone. So now I have 158 TRX gold tokens from the contract. And another thing also is that I've reinvested, and I've also shared part of that 10% that is being taken out. Remember this thing, when you buy in or when you make a reinvestment, 10% of that is taken away and it is distributed amongst all the members in the contract. So I've bought and the 10% has been taken away and distributed amongst all members who are in the contract. That's why I've got these commissions instantly. So that's all I had for today. See you in another video. And guys, remember to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on anything that I bring in as we go on. See you guys in another video.